One, two, three, start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I used to restrain myself not to speak because I am not a very good speaker. I thought it would be better for me to listen to the speeches of other honorable members speaking on different subjects. But today, on this subject, I would like to express some of my viewpoints because this is a very important resolution. This has been a controversial one for the last so many years and it is a debatable one. If you ask me whether there should be more autonomy for my state, my quick reply would be yes. But if deeper and a sincere thought is applied in a wider sense, I have to say no, because our country is a unique and a different type of country. It is full of diversities and differences. When the Constitution framers framed our Constitution, the Union Powers Committees give its report to the President of Constitutional Assembly. They declared that the soundest framework of our Constitution should be a federal structure with a strong center, a federal state, but with a very strong center. They had recommended a very strong center in order to hold our country together, full of diversities and differences. I have heard many speakers in support of resolutions saying that more autonomy will bring a better nation integration. This, sir, I doubt. I would like to get one simple example. Today, the Jammu and Kashmir state enjoy the best constitutional provisions. The higher constitutional provisions. Are the people of Jammu and Kashmir happy? Are they content with the present provisions they are enjoying? The answer is obvious, so we cannot say that more autonomy will bring a better national integration. Some other said to give more economic power to the state. Today, the economic powers of the states are to merge, so they are agitating. There are separatist movements, agitations movements, secessionist movements due to what of more economic powers. If this is correct, we could have peace, the tranquilities in the Punjab state. The Punjab state had been once of the most envied state in the state economically, but today it is the most troubled state. So we cannot say that more economic powers to the state will solve this problem. Let us take another example. Among the seven sisters of states of northeastern India, Assam was the most advanced and prosperous state, but today Assam is the most troubled state in the northeastern India. So given me more economic powers to the state will not resolve our problem. So we need is a very strong center, and a strong center is only considered to be necessary not only to protect the independence of the country, to preserve the integrity and unity of the country, but also to coordinate political actions between the union and the state on basic issues of national concern. We need a very strong government at the center to hold the country together. that will be able to hold the country together, that is to need the hour today. We cannot say that more power will bring national integration.